Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to fix Play Store not opening problem on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, the Google Play Store is the primary source for downloading and updating apps on Android device. If it's not working, you cannot install new apps or update existing one, which can affect your device functionality and security. Okay, so let's go through tutorial. First thing first, long press place on Google Play Store app like this. Okay, after that select app info icon here. Well, so on this page, you can click force stop to stop the app completely and click OK. Well, and then you can choose storage and cache option. Okay, after that tap on this option to remove unused data on this app. Well, last step, you can restart your device. Long press power button on your device here and select restart. So you have to open Google Play Store app on your device normally. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix Google Play Store not opening problem on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.